With this video, I'd like to show you what we've done to help you out is created these templates. Now these templates can be found on the website at www.readytoprint.ca, and you can download. We have all the different banner heights from the 21.5 to the 54-inch material. We have templates that are 120 inches long. So basically what these are is to show you the exact sizing from the when it comes out of the box, where all the grommets are located, the double grommet system is located, and then you can design on your banner, do all your layout if you're going to do a 10-foot, or if you're going to do 20-foot, just flip it and duplicate it. So this gives us again, to the website, you can download it. There's AI files, EPS files, and CorelDRAW files there available for you to download.